Hey, I saw there were no videos on how to buy the Honey token, so I decided to make this quick tutorial. Obviously not financial advice, and all of these steps will be listed in the description, so check it out and let's jump in. Hey, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy the Honey token by Hivemapper quickly, easily, cheaply, safely, all that stuff. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a Phantom wallet. You can use another crypto wallet, but Phantom worked for me because it supports Solana pretty well. You're going to need some Solana and USDC. Solana just to pay the network fees, which are very low. Under $10 of Solana is fine. You don't even need that much. And then USDC to actually trade it for Honey. I used KuCoin, which I'll link below if you want a discount. And then I sent that Solana and USDC to my Phantom wallet. And then you're going to want to go to Raydium.io. This is a decentralized exchange on Solana blockchain. And then you're going to want to paste the Honey address, and then you just make a swap. So these are the steps that we're doing. Now I'll actually walk you through how to do it on my phone. And some quick notes. The Hivemapper team has not officially launched the Honey token on any centralized exchanges. So the only way you can buy it right now are on these two decentralized exchanges here on the Solana network, which are Raydium and Jupiter, and they have very low volume right now. So keep that in mind. This is still very early. And since the Hivemapper team has not officially launched the token anywhere, this is just contributors who are mining the Honey token, selling it on the open market. And if we go to contributors, we can see that there are 3,700 contributors right now, and this is growing, which is pretty cool. And if you want to see where you can buy Hivemapper in the future, maybe you're watching this video in the future, just go to CoinMarketCap Hivemapper and click markets right here, and this will list all of the exchanges that are added in the future. But right now, these are the options, and you're going to want to get the official contract address here. I went to the Discord, I pasted the contract address in the search bar, and I saw that one of the moderators actually confirmed that this is indeed the correct token that we're trading. Now let's jump over to my phone and show you how to do these steps. So the first step, you're going to want to download the Phantom wallet. And once you download that, set it up, save your recovery phrase. It's gonna look something like this. And then you're gonna wanna deposit some Solana to pay for your transaction fees. So as you see here, I have about $6 of Solana. And then you want some USDC coin, or you can just deposit Solana and swap it after. But you will need both of these tokens. And to deposit these tokens, you can use KuCoin. I will put a discount code below. It works in every country because there is no KYC. You can sign up with just an email. And I bought Solana and USDC on KuCoin, and I deposited it into my Phantom wallet just like this, and the fees were like $1 or $2. So after you have some funds in your Phantom wallet, you're gonna wanna go to the bottom right corner here and click this little icon here. And you're gonna wanna go to Raydium.io. As you can see, I have it in the recents, but you would just type it up here and put in Raydium.io. This is a decentralized exchange on top of Solana. Click launch app in the middle of the screen here. And then it will automatically connect your wallet. And now we have to select the Honey token. So you're gonna wanna go to CoinMarketCap, navigate to the Honey token, make sure it's the official one. And then you're gonna scroll down, and where it says contracts here, Solana, and this is the official contract address. So we're just gonna copy that, go back to Phantom, and where it says select a token, search name, we're gonna paste that address here to make sure we're trading the official Honey token. And then it pops up right here. I'm gonna click add token. And now we're gonna make a trade. We can trade our USDC for Honey, and you can put in however much you want, click swap, and make sure you watch out for the price impact and make sure you know how much you're getting, because again, there is very low volume at the time of this video. But let's say I'm just gonna start with 50 USDC, swap. The fee is gonna be very little SOL, swap confirmed. And then if we go back and I refresh, there we go. We just wait a few seconds, refresh, and now you can see there's Honey in my wallet. And for more info on Hivemapper, check the description, and I'll see you in the next one.